Hi everybody and welcome to Mental Health and Public Safety. This is just a quick tutorial to show you how to navigate the course. So when you come into the course, right here you can see there's an overview that explains a little bit about what you're going to be learning. And what you need to do is go up here to this menu across the top. You can see the icons activate when you hover over them. Click on Content. When you go to content, scroll down, and what you'll see down this left-hand side is you're going to see the course menu. Okay, you want to start at getting started, which is where you are if you're actively watching this navigation video. It's where I posted this video. And then what you're going to see underneath that is each section of the training. So let's just go ahead and click on psychotic disorders. And what you're going to see in each section is there's going to be a content section, which is going to have a recorded lecture from me that you should watch. And then I have some supplemental videos in almost all of the sections. In addition, if you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see the assessment section. Each category of mental health that we go over has an assessment. It's just a quick 5-question true or false, quiz that you can test your learning on. And then if you get all the way down here to the bottom, we're going to see, after I get through all of the content on mental illness, there's a section for law enforcement, there's a section for EMS, there's a section for fire training, and then there's student evaluations. So first and foremost, the student evaluation is open to everybody. I would really appreciate your feedback. It's just a discussion board where you can type your feedback about what you liked about the course, what you would like to see in the future, things of that nature. The law enforcement, EMS, and fire training, all 3 categories are taking this training. So you are not required to do all 3. So if you're a member of law enforcement, you don't have to do the EMS or the fire training. However, I would say there are different resources in each one. And given how much these 3 agencies work together and interact, it's not a bad idea to go through them if you so desire. But here I'm going to click on law enforcement, and what you're going to see is there's a video specific to law enforcement. There's some articles specific to law enforcement. In all 3 sections, I put a screening tool for you to review. This handbook from the National Alliance on Mental Health Institute. And then down here at the bottom, you will see 2 discussion boards specific to your area. So if you are EMS and you want to go through the law enforcement module, that's totally fine. You don't have to respond to these, but you do have to respond to your specific EMS discussion boards. Okay. Like I said, there are some materials that are in all 3, like this mental health screening tool, this article about mental health screening, but there are specific different articles and videos for EMS, for firefighters, and for law enforcement. So that's just a quick tutorial. Please make sure you go through each module, starting at getting started, move on in order down to mental health and first responders with the introduction, and then go on to abnormal behavior and on and on and on. This is an asynchronous class. It is self-paced. So if you have to stop in the middle or if you want to break up your training, that's completely fine. You can do this at your own pace. And that is how you navigate the course.